DID's creative reality studio just got even better. Now, as well as animating images from text or audio, you can create avatars and generate scripts using Stable Diffusion and GPT-3. Just describe what you want your avatar to create. You can make any avatar you want. Say, picture of a half-alien goddess, or gentleman.
Assalamu alaikum. So yes, you can make your own avatar in just 5 minutes. It is very easy. So let's start. First of all, comes to the Google and type here did.com. The website will be open. Hereby you have to click on try now, it's free. So click on try now, it's free. Now there is an option create a video. So simply go on the create a video. If you want to save your avatar for later use, then click on the guest. Here is the option of login and sign up. Go to the login and sign up. Then it will ask you the method for login. Click on the continue with Google. It will ask my Gmail. I will simply click on my Gmail account and the DID will open with your login account. So now hereby click on the create a video. You have to choose a presenter. You have to choose a AI presenter. Even that if you have your own avatar or you downloaded any type of avatar, you can add it from here. If not, then there are many avatars you can choose here. Hereby I choose this girl for my avatar. Now there are some options on the right side. You can add a script here and you can add an audio. If you have your own recorded audio, then simply you can upload this audio from here. And if you have not any recorded audio, then you can write a script here. It will be automatically converted into audio. So hereby I will write a simple script for my news. I am typing here, congratulations. Your avatar is ready. I typed here, congratulations, your avatar is ready. If you want to give a pause after the word, then simply after congratulations press enter. Then it will act like a common human being who make a pause after some words. There are some voices. The voices of the female, because I selected a female avatars. So there are many type of voices. You can simply play and listen it. For example, the voice of Arya.
Congratulations. Your
Now,
avatar is
the
ready.
voice of
Congratulations. Congratulations. Your
Congratulations.
So now I am
Your
choosing
avatar
here
is
the
ready.
voice of Amber. And okay, it is done. So after choosing the voice of your own choice or the voice that you think it has a resemblance with you, you can even select the language. So if I select here English, it will talk in the English. I can select here many languages. Even you can select Urdu and so on, the language you want. Urdu, Hindi, Telugu, Ukrainian, Russian, and each even that Hindi. So you have a lot of languages. Simply write the content in this language that you want to speak, and it will automatically speak in this language the words you are written here. So now I will simply click on the generate video. So it is generated my avatar. Just look. So I will click here on the generate. So it will be generate my video. So I will show the video after successfully generating. Click on the video and just show the magic.
Congratulations. Your avatar is ready.
So did you notice that it give a pause after the word congratulations, because I pressed enter after the congratulations. So through this method you can create your own avatar successfully. Thank you for watching.